dawa. And I'm like, why? After maundu maya mothe akugereria na gukunyarira to us tugiuga he threw away your life wahika mutu mundu hikaga aume mundu ahikaga agatura gwake but to us tugituika so judgmental tuge he threw away your life ona kafonge agituikite sister you know that kind of argument mundu gwikirite ngurara icio ciothe agutiganirio rere ciana we wika going all through phases of depression and all that niki kingituma riu at his moment of need no ratwambrukia guoko kamugurira ndawa handu hau ikare thi utheke ureithio millennial tugikaga you know like celebrating downfall ya mundu.
No way, you know, once you know who God is, there's something tutangihota ku deny. I cannot go to heaven alone. I need you to go with you in heaven. Koguo no nginya tutwarane twi hamwe ruga tirwa kwa ndi wika na tirwa ucio ungi na tirwa ucio ungi ni rwitu ithuothe koguo njagirwo ni gukuona na wega wa Ngai. Yeah,
it is possible.
It is possible. It is. To ingikuona na wega wa Ngai ndingiona uru wekire. Ningikuona na wega wa Ngai ndingiona kaundu koru ureka. I cannot. Ni negeragia ku educate andu uguo, but at times it is not possible. So ni ukuona rigi mundu wacoka kona after some time ni gwika. But me I try to act it because I know there is no gutire heaven yakwa ndi wika.
Yani it is possible kuohera igana kwa igana.
No wohere
mundu wa kuhitiria.
No wohere wendete. Although ndakwira at time tikuona ni ndiri na andu ringi magikaga ati uguo but ni ukuhota kuohera. You know wina Ngai ni ukuohera. Wina Ngai ni ukuohera na ni ukuona ta hatari undu uthiete na mbere. Ingikwira ta riu sometimes last year November no kiria gikoma Thika. Can you imagine Thika is just close to me? Na hede imete Kiambu ukoma Thika akomire 3 weeks. And I went to I would go.
Kumwana.
Yes. I even involved my friends. Ukajira ruse wathi kuona muthuru ntuthi. And we would go. And you know with friends ni aguthia kamuha kindu and I'm not jealous about it. Give.
Today
give. Yeah.
Ni aroraga kona. Is he remorseful?
He is very remorseful. Yeah. A few weeks ago, I went home. He doesn't feel very well. Kogo ndamwitire na tukaria ngamwira how are you feeling? Yeah. To ninyendete kumu-encourage. Nigetha riri at least onake nie ni ndirerire Ngai. It is not me alone. He's the father of my children na maundu ta macio. You talk to him. Does it cost me anything to talk to him? It doesn't cost me. Ona kone mundu ungi wi guku komete Thika igigithi kumurora. Yeah. Even another person.
Faragori waigua uguo.
You ni andu ni monaga tari funny. But I tell them no, it is not. You need to forgive.
You saito magukwira with this day and age rutocio ndungihanika. No, I read some comments ngauga kai Ngai acenjirie or rather maundu maria twiragwo twike ni Ngai kai macenjirie this day and age. But I think living the gospel is not something very easy.
It is not easy.
It is not easy. Wow. Tukihinga Lucy ri he mutumia ugiragia muthuriwe kuona ciana ciake. Na sure igirira reasons metha-ini ukona nima ndagirwo gukorwo akiona ciana icio kana gucihurira thimu gucihoya kindu na ni acitiganirie riria ciana icio ciabataraga ithe. He mutumia ungi urateng'erania na magoti agitwara muthuri magoti na musupportere ciana. What is your word to those two women? Tondu ni nyonaga tama mutumia urathie igoti-ini kana urathie gwa ciana kana gwa fida teo asupporterwo ciana ndirauga ni uru no nie hari ni nyonaga tare kira ngurara iguru wa ngurara. I don't know what is your feeling. Mundu wewe mundu struggle muno na kurera ciana ciaku.